Hey, have you ever gotten vegetables or some sort of foodstuffs from a friend?
I take these fresh from my garden.
I shop this with my good.
I foraged this Graphola frondosa with my bare hands.
Whoa. Are those Mitake mushrooms? Graphola frondosa, hen of the woods, king of mushrooms, a polypore? Time to cook. Cooking with Johnny and Friends Quickie. Mignon de Porc with mushrooms foraged by my friend.
Hi, John. It's about time you called me. You never say hello or call me to see if I'm still breathing or not.
Sorry, Mom. Listen, quick note to everybody out there, call your mom because it's your mom. Okay, for today's recipe, you're going to need mushrooms, pork tenderloin sliced into 1-inch sections, 1 shallot, 4 cloves of garlic, fresh thyme, Maille Dijon mustard, heavy whipping cream, a 1/4 cup of white wine, salted butter, a dash of olive oil, a touch of paprika, and salt and pepper. So this is going to be a quickie because shooting this was completely unexpected, but I had to document the joy I had in cooking these Mitake mushrooms. Graphola frondosa, hen of the woods, king of mushrooms, a polypore.
And now it's time to wash our Graphola frondosa, our sheep's head, hen of the wood, Mitake mushroom. If you have one newly foraged, it will be much bigger, a little bit dirtier, so you'll have to spend some extra time on it. If you get an overpriced one from a grocery store that shall not be named, it will be nice and small and pre-cleaned such as this. Depending on what you're doing, you can cut it into chunks like this, or you can pull them individually apart, and you really want to wash in between each of these 4 here. You can tear it apart easily, and it'll saute up nicely or roast. After you're done rinsing, you just want to lay it out on a paper towel and let them dry.
Thanks, Amanda. Let's cook. When I cook mushrooms, I usually use a bit of salted butter on the pan. Then I drop them in and let them sweat and reduce before I add other flavors. So I get the steam and the water out, and then I really add the butter and salt. The mushrooms seem to suck it up better. My friend suggested I use olive oil and butter, so that's what I added. Looking good. Set those mushrooms to the side. More butter. Add chopped shallot, 4 cloves of garlic, add some fresh thyme, salt them pork tenderloins, and throw some more fresh thyme into that mix, baby. Might need a little bit of pepper here. Time to sear the meat. Drop them in one at a time. Space them around. Notice I moved the garlic and the onions to the side and decided to drop these things more in the center as it just sits in there and sears on one side. Oh yeah, paprika, baby. Paprika. Sear 'em, flip 'em, take 'em out. Sear 'em, flip 'em, take 'em out. Blinded! Just a scoop of the Dijon. I just need you as is. I don't need you whipped. Pour that cream until it covers the bottom, and then some. You hear that? That's the sound of love. Time to bring it all together. Round to that corner. Add those lovely mushrooms. Plump. Bombs away with them tenderloins. Ooh. Eee. Giggle. You want me to stop, don't you? Sorry.
And the jus de porc. Pork juice. Pork mignon juice. Alright. Let's let it turn slow. And it will cook slowly. And then we serve it over rice. Sounds like a plan.
You heard the man. Serve it over rice. Well, that's it for today's Quickie. Until we meet again on Cooking with Johnny and Friends.
Jambon, ma